Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Back up important data before you start, because resetting deletes files and accounts. Remove any external SD cards and note any app licenses before you continue. Charge the tablet to at least 50% before starting to prevent shutdown during reset. Write down Wi-Fi names and passwords to reconnect later. You will need Wi-Fi credentials and the original Samsung account password if factory reset protection is active. Have a stable Wi-Fi connection ready to complete setup after the reset. Open Settings, go to General Management, then select Reset and Factory Data Reset. Tap Reset and then delete all to begin the factory reset process. Confirm by entering the device PIN or the Samsung account password when prompted. The tablet will show progress and then reboot automatically when the reset completes. Wait about 10 minutes for the tablet to erase and reboot into standard mode. After reboot, complete the initial setup and sign into your Samsung account to finish removing retail restrictions. If settings is inaccessible, power off, then press and hold volume up plus power for 10 seconds to enter recovery. Use the volume keys to navigate options and press power to select the highlighted choice. In recovery, choose Wipe Data/Factory Reset, confirm with Yes, and then reboot System Now. If the tablet still returns to retail mode, connect to a PC and use Samsung's Smart Switch for a software repair. After reboot, complete setup and sign into your Samsung account to remove factory reset protection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.